Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My mother-in-law's here.
Hello.
My mother-in-law came from San Diego for graduation, so she's here with us. Today she's going to cook South Indian food, which is idli and coconut chutney. Have you ever tried our Indian food before?
Believe or not, I visit Indian restaurant every time. I go there, they have interesting food, it tastes so good, and sometimes I take to go. But today, I will try to cook something new I never seen.
So what is it? What are you going to cook?
It's about chutney and idli.
Yeah.
It's two different quality of food, and you will see what the result will be. Excited together, and just let's start and do it.
Yep. So yes guys, she's going to cook idli and she's gonna make chutney.
We have a shredded coconut, we have a peanut, we have a ginger, we have a green chili, and we have to mix everything in a blender. Okay, we have a idli batter, and it's made by rice, orange, fenugreek seed, salt, and water, and which make the idli.
Yep.
Let's do it. Okay, first preparation is a boiling water, and this is the pot already on the stove.
Yeah, water is already boiled. We're gonna grease here and put the idli batter ready.
Now we have to put butter. Okay, you have to do everything at the same time.
I don't have to teach her. This is the first time she's doing, guys. She's already pro.
She is doing amazing, better than me.
I'm trying.
You're doing great.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
good. That's good.
enough.
That's
Wow, leave a comment down below, guys. This is amazing. Like, first
That's
time.
good. Yep.
total of 9. Let's cover for 10 minutes. By the time we're waiting 10 minutes, we have to blend everything. We have to mix with the chutney, and let's go blending all the ingredients ready.
I didn't have to tell her anything. I just explained to her first before I do it, and she already like pro. So now she's making coconut chutney with the peanuts. Okay, mama.
Okay, we are mixing shredded coconut. We have to mix with peanut. It's cooked already, and we have to add ginger, and we don't have to forget the green chili.
By the way, guys, she cooks very good food when it comes to African food. Already she knows all the process. You guys can see. I don't have to even teach her anymore.
The green chili is to put a little spice inside. You know, Indian food, every food is spicy.
She already added all the ingredients. Now what are you going to do, mama?
Okay, then we need to blend everything. We have to fry the ingredient for seasoning our chutney. And now we have to add the mustard seed, just a little seed there. You might see how it is. The idli is almost ready, and we are prepared for chutney, but we're still waiting for the seed to pop up. You see how Indian food has too much equation.
It's harder than calculus.
Okay, we add weera dal and chira dal. Now we have to add red chili and curly green.
So now it's gonna be cooked, yeah.
It's ready, and then we mix with
Chutney.
the chutney. It's kind of buttermilk. It's a little heavy because of mixing with peanut. It might taste good. I'm ready to eat right now. Let's check the idli if it's ready. You see, it's ready, and it's like a white bread. We are ready to go to the table.
Guys, she made amazing idli. Look at this. And look at the chutney is ready. So my mother-in-law is going to eat idli with idli podi and chutney, and she's gonna let us know. This is the first time she's tasting, by the way. Have you tried this one, Mama, before?
This is the first time and it smells very good. I just wanna go sit down and eat right now.
Let's go, guys. Let's go eat, and she's gonna let us know how she likes it. All right, guys. You guys see how she made the idli? Look at this. Ready? Mama, go ahead, Mama.
You see, I'm gonna eat with fork, but in Indian style, we need to eat by hand. I got it. It looks like a little bread here.
Okay, let me take two. My wife is gonna eat later, guys. Okay, let me put this. This is the idli podi. I'll put a little bit. If you like it, let me know.
Is it like seasoning?
Yeah, well, this is nallanai, is oil, so you can use that one. So this is peanut chutney and coconut chutney. And yesterday she cooked attukodal kolambu.
Oi tobenga mabuna ligala. Ibibi kitoko makashi.
My mom said that this is a goat stomach right here, guys. I'm behind here recording. So this is the first time she cooked, and she's gonna try the food actually. And look at Appa. So
yeah,
you
Mama's
guys,
gonna try, and he's gonna let us know how she likes it.
She is
try
great.
with the chutney, Mama.
Oh my God, the
She's ready.
idli is like kwanga. It's like kwanga in Lingala.
There you go.
Try with the chutney.
Very, very tasty, and you mix with the chutney, which is too much peanut inside, and which it tastes very, very good. Very, very good. I can't believe this. I have to try to cook at home in San Diego. Atuka banamboka oyo zamu biloko kitoko ya ba Indian. Ebibi lokola kwanga tolia na mabumu na sauce ya nguba eza kitoko makashi.
Wow.
Mama, this is how we eat. So idli, we break it. This is a chutney. Mix it up, and
Bon appetit.
my wife tried before this one, so Mama said she loves idli. Of course, guys, idli. Yes, guys, Mama enjoying the food.
Unbelievable.
It's good, Mama.
It's very tasty.
So like,
How's the spicy, mommy?
It's good. It's a medium.
Yeah, medium spicy. That's good. Yeah. All right, guys.
yep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My mother-in-law made South Indian breakfast, idli and coconut and peanut chutney. In the video பிடிச்சிருந்தா எல்லாரும் வீடியோக்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. You want to say anything, Mama?
Yes, I say if you are evening time, please try it right now. Right now, it's easy. It take a few minutes, like 15 minutes, and you are ready to eat.
There you go.
Yep. Also, the batter, it takes like a whole day to ferment, Mama. This one is a fermented batter. So we make it, you blend it, and we leave it for overnight to ferment, to create the bacteria. So that's why it's sour. It's the same like a konga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we didn't do from scratch. We bought the batter from someone. So we made it like a easier version, but if you want to do from scratch, it takes like all day, but only the fermentation. But the cooking, it's easy, guys. Again, thank you so much, Mama, for cooking this idli and chutney, and I loved it. It's so good, and I hope you like it too.
I discovered good stuff I didn't know in my life. This is a good experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, guys, we will see you guys in next video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.